Candidate number 1.
May we have the presenter, the owner, our sponsor. Muli po, maraming salamat sa our generous sponsor. Talaga po tumalag sa aking sponsor sa ating Miss Piltic 2024. Our next award is Mr. Arnel Sentin and Roxanne Gutierrez. Choice Award, it is you! Candidate number 4.